some delicious garlic and butter mushrooms. Oh yeah! So to make this recipe, you are going to need some mushrooms, a large clove of garlic, and some butter. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the mushrooms by cutting them into quarters. However, you can cook them whole, you can cut them into halves, and you can even slice them. It's completely up to you how you want to cut your mushrooms. I prefer to have them in quarters because they are bite size but yet meaty enough to enjoy. Anyway, once you're done cutting the mushrooms, it's on to the next step. I'm going to take that large clove of garlic now and I'm going to smash it with the side of my knife, and then I'm going to chop it up nice and fine. And of course you can use it whole, you can also mince the garlic, it's completely up to you. I do love little bits of deep fried burnt garlic or brown garlic or whatever you call it. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Now I'm going to get my pan on the stove and I'm going to add the butter into the pan and let the butter start to melt. And while that butter is melting, I'm also going to add in the garlic because I want that garlic and butter to infuse, and that garlic will cook with the butter. And I'm just going to stop talking and let you watch that garlic and butter cook together. The butter is going to froth up and the garlic is going to slowly but surely start to turn golden brown. So anyway, just let that cook. And once your garlic has gotten nice and golden brown, then I'm going to add in my mushrooms. And before doing anything, I'm going to season the mushrooms now with some salt and some black pepper. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give it all a good mix. Now I'm going to be cooking this on a high heat because the mushrooms are now going to release water, and then we want to cook these till the water dries up. So just let those mushrooms cook. Obviously make sure you stir them, give them a good flip now and then because you obviously don't want anything to burn, especially that garlic. Because what's happening is the garlic can go from brown to burnt very quickly. But when we added the mushrooms, the temperature of the pan drops, the mushrooms release their water, thus preventing the garlic from burning. Anyway, just cook those mushrooms. Cook those mushrooms till that water evaporates, and you will see the mushrooms start to caramelize now. And you just want to cook these till the mushrooms have a lovely golden brown color on it. In fact, let me show you one. So just have a look at that mushroom. You can see the lovely golden color on it, and that's pretty much it. That's how you want the mushrooms to be, so you get that lovely flavor on it, and that's it. Once it's done, take it off the heat. Now all you got to do is serve yourself those mushrooms in a bowl, and that's it. Your sauteed garlic mushrooms are ready, and they are going to be delicious and buttery and garlicky. Oh yeah, those look pretty good if you ask me. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always you will find a link to the written recipe with macros in the video description box just below this video. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please do smash that like button, subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload a new video. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, click here to watch another keto recipe, or click here and listen to some of my music, or watch some of my non-keto food content right here.